59 Coupe, fully restored. This is gorgeous. Detail on these white wall wheels. The chrome detail work on the front. The sound that you're hearing is a air conditioning system that's been added, and that is the compressor and the fan running for that, so it kind of sounds like a jet plane, but that's what that noise is. These cars did not come with air conditioning systems, nor did they come with some of the safety features, as beautiful as they are. Some of the stuff that you're used to. No headrests, no seatbelts, but gorgeous. That's the original interior. And there's the air conditioning system that was added. This has all been nicely done. Black and white interior, completely redone. All the upholstery. Nice wings. Look at this chrome work. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. This is when there was pride taken in cars, and they were like artwork. These fender skirts. Shine on those hubcaps. And the chrome on the door handles. Now that radio looks like it's the original, but that is actually an upgraded radio. It's a digital radio, but it looks like the one from the 1950s. But when you turn it on, it is all digital. But to keep that classic look, that was strategically done. Beautiful.